A Filipino learner endures on a productive journey every day as he takes every inch of an effort to go to school and get the best education and the best experience in life. The four corners of the classroom are his living witnesses, but some are deprived of the opportunities laid upon them. The sad reality is that many are willing to be in school every day, but they are hindered by a number of challenges, such as health problems. So as a child takes steps to acquire education, the school recognizes this as a chance to build a dream. A child's dreams goes beyond the gaps, challenges, and transcends to the grounds of the Division of Baguio City, with 36 elementary schools, 9 integrated high schools, and 1 standalone senior high school. Currently, it has 10,500 learners, steered by 1,408 passionate teachers, and led by 45 dynamic school heads. To achieve health outcomes, the division introduced the Wash in Schools program. DepEd Baguio has undertaken series of pre-implementation and implementation activities, such as creation of technical working groups, self-assessment using the 3-star approach, provision of technical assistance by the Division of Baguio City, inclusion of WinS program in the school improvement plan, and capacity building of the focal persons. The concerted efforts of the whole division focus on 5 areas of wash in schools, namely water, sanitation, hygiene, deworming, and health education. Water. Clean and safe drinking water is essential to the health, thus the division promotes the following: provision of clean and safe drinking water, and use of osmosis water purification technology. Availability of various sources of water such as rain collectors, elephant pumps, LGU-funded water supply, water is used for hand washing, toilet flushing, menstrual hygiene management, and other cleaning purposes within the school setting. All schools in the division underwent water bacterial tests with supporting certificates of water potability. Cleanliness and sanitation in school is a matter of high importance. Schools provided adequate, clean, functional, and accessible toilet facilities, with provision of handmade soaps. Communal toilets are clean, gender segregated, and accessible to male, female learners in school and to persons with disability. Sanitation is the first-line defense of any effective food safety program. Food handlers prepare and deliver food with prescribed aprons, hairnets, and students buy these food using their respective canisters. Canteens and food facilities operate with duly issued sanitary permit by the City Health Office. Waste management affects all sections in the society. Thus, it was given utmost attention. Schools implemented the proper solid waste segregation and disposal through the existing city solid waste management and disposal system, achieving zero waste. Further, vermicomposting programs was used in schools to help make use of waste generated. The Division of Bago City consistently tends of observing status experienced by our country awakened the Division of Bago City and led them to devise effective solutions for these growing health issues within the schools. Health workers from the city and barangays work hand in hand to gradually impart the keys to solve the problem through giving orientations.
I'm one of the parents of the Bago City Elementary School, and we are very thankful enough because we avail one of the program by the Department of Health together with the Department of Education.
Proper hand washing is observed by the students. Feeding programs for those identified students are being done by every school. DepEd Bago City is very proud to say that 100% of the pupils and students have been dewormed. The practice of health education is an indispensable factor of human life. The division created a technical working group that promotes health education. Symposiums were organized on specialized topics on health. The teachers do the inspection of the students' hygiene every day, and health workers do is as scheduled. Every happy memory created for a child is another treasure for a lifetime. With this belief, the division took part in the celebration of the National Children's Week, advocating the talents, skills, achievements, and rights of the young people. The coming together of different schools has made a tremendous impact. The end result are the numerous awards received by the schools in line with the implementation of the WinS program.
There is no stronger word than together, for we all can work, but together we win. This is a tenet that the Division of Bago City live by. The WinS program of the Department of Education has brought together the 45 schools in the division shine even brighter. All efforts are directed to ensure that all learners reach their fullest potentials through a healthy and enabling learning environment. The WinS advocacy inspired the schools to reach milestones in the implementation of the program, with 18 schools attaining 3 stars and 27 schools receiving 2 stars. With this recognition, we are committed to continue and improve the implementation of the WinS program towards the realization of our vision to deliver quality and relevant education to every Bangunhood learner. We will continue reaching for the stars.
So I would like to congratulate the Bago City Schools Division for having attained the most stars in the implementation of WASH, which is water, sanitation and hygiene in schools. And this is a very important program which the city supports because it will redound to the good of our students and the community. By implementing this, we are avoiding diseases in our communities and especially in school. So this is a worthwhile project and endeavor of the school, and as always, the city of Bago and its leadership and the people of Bago support our schools division. Thank you.
Indeed, no stars are unreachable. When everyone paves the way, shows the way, and leads the way. Stars bring magic. We inspire. #WeInspire.